Is your engine cranking over but refusing to start, or stumbling and losing power while you drive? You could be dealing with a critical failure in how your engine tracks its own speed. Welcome back. In this video, we are tackling OB2 code P0320, which stands for Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit. This electrical circuit fault affects all spark ignition engines in the United States. Your vehicle uses a crankshaft position sensor and a camshaft position sensor to tell the main computer exactly where the engine parts are and how fast they are moving. This timing data is essential for firing the spark plugs and fuel injectors at the perfect microsecond. When the computer loses this signal, it triggers code P0320. The symptoms are usually severe. You might get a check engine light, but you will also likely experience engine misfires, hesitation when you hit the gas, a major lack of power, or the engine might just crank endlessly in your driveway without ever starting. The causes generally include an open or shorted wire in the power or ground circuits for the sensors, a completely failed speed sensor, or corroded electrical connections. To fix this, start with a visual inspection of the sensors and their wiring harnesses. These sensors live in a hot, oily environment, so look for melted plastic or wires rubbing against metal engine parts. Pull the connectors apart and look for green corrosion. If things look clean, you need to test the sensors. If you have a 3-wire Hall effect sensor, use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for a 5-volt power supply and a good ground from the computer. If you have a 2-wire magnetic pickup sensor, you can test the internal resistance, which should be between 750 and 2000 ohms, depending on your specific vehicle. You can also test the output by setting your meter to a C voltage and cranking the engine. A good sensor should produce around 0.5 volts a C. If the sensor has an internal short to ground, it is dead and needs to be swapped out. Keep in mind, some modern cars in the US require the new sensor to be calibrated to the computer using special software. If your car still will not start after a basic inspection, it is highly recommended to tow it to a certified technician who has the proper programming tools. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I will see you in the next video.